How you doing? My name is Trent Sanderson. You're tuned into the famous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. So in this video, I'm about to tell you how you can manifest a text from someone you love in 1 week. Okay, I can almost guarantee you that this person will text you in 1 week time span. I've did this. I've also gave people these tips, and I've gave them my golden secrets, and they've done it. They've sent me emails, proving to me that they've actually got the person that they like or person that they love to like text them. So I know for a fact this works. And plus, like, I have several videos here on YouTube already that you can see at the end of this video that will also aid the process of getting that text from someone you love. But anyway, so the first thing you need to know about like trying to get somebody to text you that you love and they might not be texting you is you have to be 110% certain that this will work. Okay, this is all about belief. It's all about using your energetic powers to magnetize this person to you. Okay, we live in a world that it's all about energy. It's all about energy. And if you can get your energy to be directly on this person, wherever they at, it doesn't matter. They will text you. Okay, they will sense you. They will probably hear you talk about them. They will have a memory about you and them together. Something will happen to make them remember you, and chances are, they will text you. So the first thing that you must do in order to get somebody that you love to text you is you have to believe without 100% of a doubt that it will work. Okay, and that goes for anybody that tries to shoot me an email. They want this golden secret at the end. Do not text me and ask me before you get the golden secret, do this work. I mean, you've already opted yourself out because it will not work for you if you doubt that this will work. Okay, now the next thing you need to do to like write it in stone, to confirm it within the universe right now that you're watching this video, okay, and that you're going to manifest the text from someone you love, what I need you to do right now is I need you to comment below in the comment section and put the person name and then put will text me. Okay, they're not watching this video. They probably will never ever see this video ever. Okay, so it's safe. All right, and then upon hundreds of comments, your comment will be so far at the bottom in the next year or so, and nobody will ever know. Okay, but just comment below in the comment section the person's name and then put will text me. Okay, you just setting it in stone. Okay, right now in this moment. Now the next thing that I have for you to do in order to get that person that you love to text you is a visualization technique. So what I need you to do is I need you to set a reminder in your phone. Okay, I got task reminders in my phone to remind me, when I'm doing business and taking calls and stuff like that. I use that from time to time. But you can use your reminder or your alarm for you to meditate on this person every night before you go to bed. I mean, it's easy, it's simple. It only takes 5 minutes for you to meditate on this person who you want to text you. Okay, just 5 minutes every single night. That is simple. That is so easy. Even my little brother and little sister can do that. Okay, so set a reminder, set an alarm to remind you every night before you go to bed to meditate on this person texting you. So what you're gonna do is you're just simply gonna use your mind power. You're gonna close your eyes, you're gonna lay down in your bed, and some of you might drift off and fall asleep by doing this. That's even better because you might go to bed and have a dream about this person. Okay, but you want to think about this person. You want to meditate on them texting you. You want to see them sending the text. You want to see them click your name in the contacts. You want to see them go into the messaging and scroll and see your name. You want to see them texting you. You want to see the conversation. You want to see the little bubbles if you have an iPhone. You want to see you guys texting back and forth. Okay, you want to see you all sending the emojis to each other, such and so forth. So this is all a part of visualization. Okay, visualization is the key to get that person to text you that you love. Okay, now the next technique that I have for you in order to manifest the text from someone you love in 1 week is this usually works. I think I did this one time before, but what you want to do is you want to tell somebody that they're close to that you text them. Okay, it could be anybody that they know, anybody that you know that they know personally. You would try to have a conversation with that person, or you will maybe tell your friend that's friends with the person that they close to, and you will tell that friend yeah, I text Danny last week. Now, this don't have to be the truth. This can be a white lie, because if this is someone you love, it's all, it's all in the name of love. Okay, so telling a white lie for your love, to have your soulmate, have your person back that you love, it's worth it. Okay, so just find somebody close to the person that you know, and just tell that person, yeah, conversating. Yeah, I text them like last week, but they didn't respond back. Chances are, 9 times out of 10, people are gonna go run back and tell it to that person that you love. They're gonna run back and tell it to that person that you love, that you text them, and that person is gonna have it in their mind. And chances are, they're gonna text you within 1 week. All right. Now, the fourth thing that I have for you, the fourth thing that you should know in order to manifest a text from someone you love in 1 week, is never stop believing. Okay, no matter what, never stop believing that this actually works. Okay, this is the key to making this happen. It's all about belief. Okay, it's all about making something happen that you cannot see with your mind. Okay, you're gonna have a lot of friends around you that try to convince you this is stupid. Leave them alone. Don't talk to her no more. She's long gone. She's with Joe Blow, whatever. She told me that she don't love you no more. I seen her posting pictures on Instagram with other guys. You're gonna have so many people that like go against your belief, but this is not for them. This is for you. And whatever you believe is right for you, then it's right for you. It don't have to be right for them. Okay, so after this video, no matter what, just make sure that you believe, you continuously believe, and never stop believing that someone you love will text you. Okay, now last but not least, I want to just offer you my golden secret. Now, my golden secret, I keep that on the ropes. I do not give this out for free. My golden secret is the way that most people have been using, that they buy from me, that they use to text somebody that they love or whatever, and they usually get results. Okay, most of them get results. Okay, but this is my golden secret. It's absolutely exclusive, it's private, and it's only 40 bucks. Okay, it's only 40 bucks, inexpensive. I'll send it to you straight to your email. It consists of a long email with this secret technique on how to get that someone you love to actually text you. Okay, the way that I actually suggest. Okay, so if you want that golden secret, make sure you send me an email. My email is going to be in the top of the comment section. Just send me an email and just say, subject it, I want golden secret. Okay, and I'm gonna send you a message back, and then I'm gonna send you the golden secret, just like that. Okay, so with that being said, thank you so much for tuning in, folks. This is how you manifest a text from someone you love, and it's gonna happen within 1 week. You're gonna be amazed by this. You can thank me later. But if you think you're gonna have success at this, manifesting a text from someone, I got a t-shirt right here for you. The success shirt here on my channel. Make sure you subscribe. This is the success shirt. You walk around with this shirt on, everybody will be impressed, and everybody will be attracted to you. They will love you just because you got on this shirt right here. So get you a success shirt. If you want a success shirt, that too is going to be in the comment section below this video. If you want to purchase a success shirt for women, also pink ones, different color letters, man, got all different kind of variety. So get your success shirt today if you think you're going to have a success in manifesting a text from someone you love. In the meantime, make sure that you subscribe to my channel by clicking my face icon. That's me. Click that face icon, but make sure you hit the bell notification so that you can be notified every time I upload new videos every single day. All right, so with that being said, if you want to check out another video that I have on manifesting a text from, let's see, maybe someone you just like, you don't love them, right here. And if you want to manifest the text from your ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend, just hit this video right here. Okay, either or. Okay, but if you want my golden secret, hurry up and email me. First come, first serve. Peace.